for today is all about surface area. At the end of the class, you should be able to identify the surface area of cube and prism. So the surface area is the sum of all the areas of the shapes that covers the surface of the object. We will first look at the surface area of a cube. So this is a cube. This is the length of a cube. This is the net. A cube has 6 equal square faces. Remember that they have equal measurements. So the surface area of one face of the cube is L squared. A surface area of a cube is 6 times L squared, or 6L squared. Let's try this example. Let's say this cube has a measurement of 7 centimeters. And then we will apply the formula 6L squared. 6 times 7 squared is 6 times 49. We will now execute this. And we will have 294 centimeters squared. Next is the surface area of a rectangular prism. So these are the width, length, and height. A rectangular prism has 3 pairs of rectangular faces. Surface area of A is length times width. Surface area of B is length times height. Surface area of C is width times height. Therefore, the surface area of a rectangular prism is 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. And we can use a simple or more easier to remember formula, which is 2 times L times width plus L times height plus width times height. Remember that we should execute the multiplication first. Let's try this example. So this is the formula. We will execute it. 2 times 9 times 7 plus 9 times 5 plus 7 times 5. We will execute the multiplication first. We have 63, 45, and 35. So we will add them and we will have 143. We will now multiply it by 2. We will have 286 centimeters squared. There are some other prism that we need to learn. So the other prism has this formula of perimeter of base times height plus 2 times the base area. Remember the formula. We have this example. So a prism with right-angled triangles as end faces is shown below. A net of the prism is given on the right, and we have to find the surface area. Remember that perimeter of base times height plus 2 is equals to base area. So the area of the base is 1/2 of 12 times 16. So 12 times 6 is 192, and 1/2 of 192 is 96 centimeters. Take note of that. The perimeter of the base is 12 plus 16 plus 20, which is 48 centimeters. So what we'll do now is execute the given formula. 48 times 9 plus 2 times 96. So the surface area of this prism is 624 centimeters squared. I will see you for our sit work. Thank you.